this blast from the past. Totally sorted 1973 Husqvarna 125Wr. And not just totally sorted, but this is actually a frame-off restoration that was turned out by AZ Mike's Bikes. And this was actually purchased back a few years ago by a collector friend of ours out in Colorado who stuffed it in his 70s and 80s vintage motocross bike collection and under a climate-controlled environment, and preserved it before shipping it out to us for a complete service. And now she's up for grabs. Frame-off restoration. Come over here, Tyler. They took a really low time piece. I'm going to show you exhibit A, B, and C, and completely refinished the frame in a factory, just like silver paint. Check it out. They nicely masked out the VIN plaque right there. And then show them the frame lowers right here, just like perfectly smooth. You have original cycle parts, like the rear brake arm here. That's like literally perfectly straight. Swing arms in really nice condition, nice straight chassis. So they started with good bones here. You see the original factory hoops are present, and they're not all marred up like they would be if you changed tires dozens and dozens of times. And they use some new stainless spokes and relace them to the restored OEM hubs. Betor forks, which are like best of the era, and these were rebuilt and have a nice light machine polish on there. Just a really straight piece that they started with, pulled it right down to the frame and went through it completely. The 125Wr is an extremely rare Husqvarna vintage motocross or desert racer. Restored and turned out by AZ Mike's Bikes. It runs fantastic, shifts through the gears perfectly. The tank is a brand new reproduction, which shows really nice. Got the polished insert in the factory paint and these correct decals and the Made in Sweden logo. They did things a little bit differently back in the day. Definitely took a lot of pride. And these are just beautiful bikes. A nice slim tank profile with the polish and then the metal gas cap. I mean, this is a really, being a brand new tank, you have a nice new cap, nice new seal, and the tank interior is mint as you'd expect. It's been flushed by our staff, no debris or anything like that. I'm told that these are some pretty rare, they call them the red Cure Nut Desert Racing shocks on those, a period aftermarket. And it also has a larger teardrop airbox that gives a little bit more air coming through the intake. We also see that they upgraded to some modern repro, like kind of period spec welded foot pegs, front and rear, which is pretty nice. And check out the original equipment shifter. I believe this is original equipment. You Husqvarna experts chime in if that's not the case. The kicker has some nice action here, not totally bagged out. And I believe this to be the original exhaust pipe as well, which has been beautifully refinished and looks really good. And motor's nice and tight. I imagine that this is completely rebuilt. It certainly looks so. Look at the condition of the side covers, all new hardware on the engine case. And you can look underneath. The engine cases are perfect. No welds repairs, cracks or any issues there. So overall, just a fantastic piece that was taken across the finish line. Definitely a recover on the original seat here. And let me see some new tires when it was restored. And you can see it's still got the nubs on them. Handful of rides on these tires. Let's see if I can get a date code for you. Tires are date coded 2014. So on the older side, but no checking indicated by, that's indicative that the bike was stored in a climate controlled facility, which it was. And so super straight. Check out the original equipment side stand that's still present with a nice new spring. And just looking at some of the hardware around the bike, you have all new hardware everywhere, so really well done. Everything's been reconditioned. This is a no stone left unturned, frame off, nut and bolt, very well thought out. And then they brought it to Kaplan, where our team did a complete refurb on it. Guys, any bike that's been sitting a couple years, even in climate controlled storage, is going to need a proper race prep and tune. And admittedly, we deal with a lot of restorers. I don't go through the bikes. This is exceptionally well done. But guys, unless you do a little test and tune, there's going to be some quirks to work out. So before it's ready for the races, but we're racers. And although we deal with restored bikes that are, probably never going to see the racetrack for, the rest of time, they might just get shoehorned away in private collections. But we like turning the bikes out, not just as an art project, but also as something that's capable of bringing to the vintage motocross event and actually racing. So the team flushed the fuel system, added 1 gallon of VP fuel, mixed 32-to-1. New fuel line, new carburetor vent lines, cleaned the carburetor, cleaned out the air box and the air cleaner. Re-oiled the air filter, new NGK spark plug. They changed the transmission oil, power lubed the cables, and did some adjustments to the cables and the controls. They did a test ride and finished the tuning. Runs fantastic. The tech notes, and then it was brought to detail where they did. They cleaned the tires, cleaned the spokes, which those are brand new stainless spokes on original equipment, hoop and hub. Minor touch up on the back shocks, which are a period item. Polish the clutch cover and polish the gas tank. Overall, I mean, guys, this is a investment quality, really supremely nice example. Take this to any shop that's still doing frame off restorations at $150 an hour. The clock's, well, it's going to be extremely, extremely costly. These bikes are a bargain at the current market price. Something like this would trade somewhere in the realm of $9,000 to $10,000, give or take, depending on where it's listed by whom. Many, many different variables. Values can be somewhat subjective, but a piece like this at auction, that's what they're bringing, and it could cost 15 plus to restore it, parts and labor. So do the math. It makes a lot more sense to buy it done instead of buying something for a couple grand that needs a ton of work, and then trying to wrestle around with a unit that might not be of this caliber to begin with. It might not ever be this nice. So we can ship this bike anywhere in the country. Message your zip code for a shipping quote. We also offer financing. You can give me a call if you have any questions, 860-471-0192. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless America.